Hello, welcome to our channel Recipes by Blue Mark. In our series Snack with Snack Mix, we are going to make Thalipeeth today. Empty a sachet of Blue Mark snack mix in a bowl. Add 1 medium-sized chopped onion, and 2 teaspoons of chopped coriander. Add half portion of water and mix it well to form a dough. Grease the flat pan with oil. Spread the dough evenly in a circular shape. Make 5 to 7 holes in it. And put 1 to 2 drops of oil in each hole. Put the lid on the pan and put the pan on high flame for 2-3 minutes or till you hear noise of roasting of Thalipeeth. When you hear the roasting, turn the flame low. Remove the lid from the pan and roast the Thalipeeth nicely for 1 to 2 minutes. Turn the Thalipeeth upside down and roast other side for a minute. Serve it hot with ghee or white butter. Optionally, you can serve sauce or chutney.